Very first thing you need to do during this entire process is be courteous to the officer. You're being recorded, and in my experience, a jury always pays attention to how you handled yourself as well as how the officer handled himself. You're not helping yourself by being very antagonizing or rude to the officer. Try to be as courteous as possible. You don't have to agree to do everything, but you can say it in a nice fashion. You know your rights. You don't have to go, I know my rights. Just go like, look, officer, I know my rights. I don't want to do these tests. I think that goes a long way with a jury. They want to be able to relate to you, and the situation can happen to anyone. The second thing you want to do is you do not want to take any additional tests. The officer at some point after arrest will ask you whether or not you want to submit to the blood test or the breath test. You have an absolute right to say no. You don't want to take those tests because you're already under arrest. I mean, you're going to be charged with 2 separate DUIs if you decide to take that test. You're already under arrest with DUI, that's safe. If you do take that test, you'll be arrested and additionally charged for DUI per se, which is over the limit. So you want to try not to do that. The third thing is that you need to contact a lawyer as soon as possible. If you refuse that test, what happens is that your license will get suspended for a year. A lawyer or an attorney that you hire will be able to file some additional paperwork that will prevent that from happening automatically, and it can explain some other avenues that you can take so that your license does not get suspended.